At the trial, the prosecution's case was clear-cut. Lesine Edwards was the only person with her in the bedroom. After the explosion, he ran out asking for her, which was kinda strange because he was the only person with her in the bedroom. It was his gun. When he saw the body, he picked up the gun and then dropped it back in her lap. As a police officer, he would have known better. More than that, he wasn't just a normal police officer, he was a crime scene officer, and so he should have known better and would have known better. A police officer who observed him said that his crying seemed fake. Then there was the science. There was no gunshot residue on her hand, which means she could not have fired the gun. Also, there was the issue of the suicide note. It was perhaps the most suspicious thing in the world. First, a police officer says it was Lesine Edwards who pointed it out to the police. And most important of all, they had a handwriting expert who looked at the handwriting of Aldana Harris Vasquez and looked at the handwriting of Lesine Edwards. The expert told the jury that it was not Aldana, but Lesine who wrote the suicide note. The jury went to the house itself. This was one of the most dramatic, the most exciting experiences of my legal career. The whole court, the judge, the jury, police outriders loaded into buses and cars and drove from the Supreme Court downtown to the location. They stood inside the house. They saw the living room. They saw the bathroom. They saw it with their own eyes. Surely that was enough. And for 11 of 12 jurors, it was enough. Yes, 11 out of 12 isn't unanimous, but by Jamaican law, it is enough.